Hi everyone, my name is Danishveer Singh and I'm going to speak about the API which we have used in our website called HocusFocus for our projects at SFU. So the API which I have used is called typefitqoutes. So what is typefitqoutes? Typefitqoutes is an API which have 1643 inspirational quotes that are going to be displayed on our web page right here, which I'm the area where I'm highlighting it. So if I talk about the reason why I have chosen this API is that this API consists of only inspirational quotes, which is going to inspire people and motivate them to keep going. Sometimes, like when we are working or when we are studying, we lack motivation. We feel or we lose interest sometimes. So these inspirational quotes, they will keep us full of inspiration and full of motivation so that we can complete our task in proper time. So if I talk about what is the process, how the quotes are displayed, so it works kind of like this. So in my JavaScript file, I created a math random function, which is going to generate a random number between 1 and 1644. That is, a number will be generated between 1 and 1643 after every a certain period of time. So like you can see here that I started the timer at 25 minutes and at 23 minutes and 20 seconds, the code got changed. So it's going to like change after every a certain set of time. And the time which I'm talking about is about 1 minute and 45 seconds. I have used set interval function to make this going. So I was talking about the math random function. So it's going to generate a random number between 1 and 1643 after every 1 minute and 45 seconds. So when the number is generated, so the code at that number will be displayed on our web page. Yeah, so it's going to display the code that is on that random number which is generated. So the feature which we have tried to implement and we failed is the Spotify API. So after implementing this, we try to implement the Spotify API in order to add some smooth and calm music for our customer who is going to use our website. But unfortunately, due to the lack of time and a huge amount of codes required, it was like impossible for us to like add the Spotify API. So that's the API which we were not able to implement, and that was the feature which we failed to implement. And the advantage, if I talk about the advantages which we have over the other our competitor, is that we have a group chat which is private. Like if a group chat is between a certain group or certain number of people, it's going to stay private between them. We have the to-do list where this to-do list where where our customer can add the number of tasks he or she wants to do. We have the inspiration quotes, which I talked about earlier, and we also have the user performance tracking and report, where the user or the customer can track their performance, and they can also have a full-fledged report of the days, like how much they worked or how much they studied. And thank you.